Load your family into the 2015 Toyota Highlander. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, heated seats, turn signal indicator mirrors, a power rear cargo door, and much more. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 6 well-positioned speakers. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.